Welcome back, YouTube, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair. So today I'm going to be showing you a tool review on torque sticks. Look how colorful they are. So today we have a customer here with the 2008 Jeep Wrangler. We did a tire rotation, and now I'm going to show you guys how to use these torque sticks in order to tighten the lug nuts to close to proper spec without having to break out a torque wrench. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and use these torque sticks in order to tighten close to spec these wheels. It takes a 21 millimeter socket, and I'll show you how this works. Okay guys, so the way the torque sticks works, it's basically like a torsion bar. So once it gets close to or at the rated torque spec on the torque stick, it will start to flex and stop rotating. Okay, so we got the torque stick put on. Now we're going to put on our socket, and we're using a Milwaukee High Torque rated at 1400 foot-pounds. So we're going to put it on the lowest setting, which is going to be number 1. So let's get to it. And just to show you guys, these are loose. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. We have the 120 foot-pound torque stick on here. We're gonna go ahead and start hitting these down, and then we're gonna check it with the torque wrench. So let's get to it. It'd help if I had it the right way, huh? I don't know if you guys can see it stopping. See how, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, how it stops. So now we're gonna take, we have a gear wrench, torque wrench here. We're gonna check to see how accurate the torque sticks are. So we have it set to 120 foot-pounds on the torque wrench. So let's see. $120.3. Let's check another one. I'm gonna focus more now on if the lug nut actually moves, and then when we hear the beep, we'll check the screen. Okay, so it just moved just a real lightly. We're at 124.3 foot-pounds. So the torque sticks are actually really pretty accurate. This is probably my 4th time using them, and they're pretty accurate within plus or minus 5 foot-pounds. So they're really accurate. All right guys, as you can see, the torque sticks are really accurate. So the reason why you want to use torque sticks, or the reason why you might consider using torque sticks, if you work on cars a lot, especially doing any kind of like tire rotation or tire changes, these come in handy. You use them with the air, you can use them with the air impact, or what I have here is the Milwaukee High Torque electrical impact. So the main reason for it is speed. Instead of breaking out a torque wrench and having a torque wrench on each lug nut, you just pop one of these bad boys on, and then you just start going and just start hammering away. So these I picked up as a set from Harbor Freight. Original price was, I think, about $60, but I'm an N-Track Club member at Harbor Freight, so I picked these bad boys up for a little less than $40. So they come in different sets. I got the variety set. You can, if you only have, let's say you only need 110 foot-pounds, you can buy them individually for a lot cheaper. But for the price of these, you can't go wrong. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please like the video and throw a comment down below. Even if you want to tell me I'm full of crap, go ahead and put that in there. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I upload another video. Thank you and have a good one.